Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Rahul's Haryana visit surprises party. In a move that has drawn significant attention ahead of the upcoming Haryana Assembly elections, Congress leader and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi made a surprise visit to Gokripur village in Karnal district. On Friday, Gandhi interacted with the family members of a youth named Amit Mann, who he met during his US visit. The visit kept under wraps even from local Congress leaders saw Gandhi meeting the family of Amit Mann, a young man who was injured in a road accident after migrating to the United States last year by donkey route. Amit drove a truck in the US and he suffered serious injuries in a road accident there. Rahul Gandhi had first met Amit during his recent visit to the US, where he had promised to visit Amit's family in person. Gandhi arrived at their residence early in the morning, speaking with Amit's parents, Bir Singh and Birmati, about their son's health and current situation. Gandhi even facilitated a video call with Amit, connecting him with his family back home. Amit's father had to sell land worth Rs 42 lakh to fund his journey to US, said a family member, highlighting the extreme lengths families go to for the promise of better opportunities abroad. The visit has also brought into focus the large larger issue of unemployment in Haryana, where many youths, especially from villages like Gogripur, Gogripur, migrate abroad in search of jobs. According to local villagers, over 1100 young men from the village alone have left the country struggling to find employment in India. Rahul Gandhi's visit is seen by political insiders as a strategic move to shine a spotlight on the growing migration crisis with Haryana's assembly election around the corner. This issue is likely to become a focal point of the Congress campaign, which has already been critical of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party's handling of youth employment. Most of the Congress leaders from the state, however, were reportedly taken by surprise by Gandhi's visit. He reached Karnal at 5:30 am and was received on the Delhi Chandigarh highway by a former AICC secretary and Garimunda Congress candidate Virendra Garunda Congress candidate Virendra Rathod, who is Congress candidate from Garunda. Garunda, but parties candidates contesting from region were unaware of his presence, underscoring the currency secrecy surrounding the visit. Amit's family member claimed that they gave him desi ghee, makhan, and lassi as the battle for Haryana heats up. Both Congress and BJP are focusing heavily on the issue of employment. The visit to Karnal, previously the continuous constituency of former Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and Nayib Sani, carries political significance as Rahul Gandhi aimed to highlight the pressing issue of unemployment in Haryana, emphasizing how it is pushing the state's youth towards illegal means to settle abroad. Rahul Gandhi had visited US from September 7 and he returned to India on September 14. A local member from the family of a Congress leader helped Rahul to meet the youths who had adopted the donkey route to reach abroad. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.